Now there is no doubt in my mind that the new design of the flashlight is absolutely amazing. It's stunning. It's what we may or may not have always wanted in a flashlight from the iPhone. But I feel that there is a major design flaw and utilization when it comes to the flashlight feature in itself. This can very well be fixed with a update by Apple, but the question is, will Apple actually do it? Okay, so the first issue and the most important issue is that the flashlight, once you press the flashlight button and activate it, is stuck in the dynamic island. I don't know about you, but if you have a iPhone Pro Max, there is no way you are going to get to that button or that fancy new animation without having to shimmy your phone up, especially if you're trying to do something with one hand. Now, one thing that you can do is a feature that I taught you guys on another video is slide at the bottom of the screen and pull down the screen to make that animation much closer to the center of the screen in order to maneuver that new animation with ease. But again, you have to do this every time you want that animation to come down, especially when it retreats to the dynamic island. But what if Apple gave you, the customer, the option to have that animation on the left or the right or in the very center if that's what you wanted to do? This would definitely give the new flashlight feature and animation a much needed usage boost and make it more practical with one hand. Anyway, what do you guys think that Apple will do? Will you think an update will come to iOS that will allow you to have it in the center of the screen, on the right side, the left side? Let me know in the comment section, what do you think about this feature, and can you use it with one hand? Anyway, this your boy Tate. I'm gone. Till the next time. Peace.